You know, we can create some seriously awesome and unique t-shirt designs in just a few minutes. But let's be real, sometimes it feels like a challenge when it comes to giving prompts to the image model, right? If that sounds like you, don't worry, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to share 10 different t-shirt design prompts with you. Let's dive in. Minimalist Design. Open any AI language model and type in this prompt. Put a minimalist style here. Once you get the prompts, copy any of them. Then head to Ideogram. Paste the prompt, pick the aspect ratio and style. Hit generate, and boom, you've got yourself a clean, cool, minimalist t-shirt design. Now for something a little more edgy, street art graffiti. Just add that style to your prompts. When the AI gives you all the options, take one, paste it into the generator, hit generate, and you'll have a killer street art style design. Feeling nostalgic? Then Retro Vibes is your go-to. The same procedure applies. After the AI generates some prompts for you, just choose your favorite, copy it, paste it, and generate. You'll get that vintage iconic t-shirt style. Vintage typography. Add the vintage typography style to your prompt. The AI will give you a list of options. Choose one, paste it into the generator, and hit generate. And there you have it. A classic vintage-inspired t-shirt design. Animal Kingdom. Add that style to the prompt. And once the AI gives you the options, pick one, paste it into the generator, and hit generate. You'll end up with a pretty cool animal-themed design. Vintage Grunge. It's the same thing. Once you have your prompts, copy one, paste it, click generate, and voila! One super cool grungy t-shirt design. It's perfect for that laid-back vibe. City Pulse. Style it up with the prompts. Choose one, cut and paste into the generator, and hit generate. What you get is a design that is pulsing with all that energy of the city. Super urban, super cool. Rebel Streetwear. Once more, add the style to the prompt. Copy one of the designs and generate. You are sure to get an edgy look just right for streetwear. Now for something a little more artsy. Add abstract artistry to the prompt. After you get your list, grab one, paste it into the generator, and hit generate. You will get a super creative and unique abstract design. Definitely a conversation starter. Punk aesthetic. Click on the punk aesthetic style and choose one of the designs. Generate. This is going to be an awesome, bold, rebellious t-shirt that really makes a statement. And that's it. Thanks for sticking around until the end. Have an awesome day.